So now I've got another little set of figures here. These ones we've built with 2 blues and 1 red, and then we kept extending by adding 2 blues every time to the figure. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 blues, and 1 red always. And now I'm going to make a new plot of this on my graph paper and see how the pattern compares to what we did before. So this one, the first fellow has 2 blues and 1 red, and the next one has 4 blues and 1 red. It's already looking really different from what we did before. And this one is 6 blues and 1 red. And here, if I wanted to stop counting, I know that I've always added 2 blues to what I had before, so I can just do the blues up to here and then add 2 blues. So I think I'm going to do that this time because it will save us some counting. That's what I had before. I'm going to add 2 more blues, and then the red is on top. And let's do that trick again for the very last one. There are the blues for my little brother. Add 2 more, and 1 red on top. All right. Now if we compare these, we can see this guy started taller, and he seems to be growing up much more steeply than this set. If you put your hand here and your hand here, or if you imagine sliding down this hill, this would be a very steep hill, or a very steep set of stairs to climb. These ones are a bit more shallow. And if you think about what's making them grow, the reds are staying the same all the time, so it must be the blues that are making it grow. And how much does it grow by each time? Well, when we did this pattern, we always did what came before and then added 2. So this one, the blues are making it grow because we add 2 blues each time. So every step up the staircase is 2 blues high. The steps are only 2 units high. Whereas with these fellows, every step up the staircase we added 3 more blues. So the steps are 3 high. So we can see this gets to be a steeper staircase because we have to add 3 each time to go up to the next step. Okay, let's talk about those staircases a bit more. Let's imagine that we're actually walking up these stairs. So if you were here, you would have to stretch up 3 steps to get to the next one. And here you have to stretch up 3 units to make the next step all the way up. It's a really big step. But here, if you started here, you only have to reach up 2 to get over the next one, and 2, and 2 again. And you could imagine we could build different staircases. So suppose you just had to go up 1 each time. You would walk up like this. Or if you had to go up 4 each time, or 5, you'd have to do very big steps all the way up. And I wonder if you could figure out what sort of patterns would make a staircase that just went up by 1 each time, or that went up by 4 each time. What would we have to change about the pattern?